Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Affan's Dynamics Journey. My name is Muhammad Affan and I have been working with Microsoft technologies for over 4 years now. I'm very excited to share my experience and skills with you through this platform. Initially, I started my career as an accountant. However, I discovered the world of low-code, no-code development and found my passion. This led me to switch my career path to work with Microsoft technologies. The purpose of this channel is to create a community where we can learn and grow together. I will be focusing primarily on Dynamics 365 sales and customer insight journeys, including how Dynamics 365 stands out against other solutions like Oracle, Salesforce, and SAP. I will provide you with valuable insights and practical skills packed with easy to follow tutorials, tips and tricks, and discussion on the latest releases by Microsoft. So if you are just starting out or looking to enhance your existing skills, you have come to the right place. If you find my content helpful, please hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated. And if you enjoy my videos, don't forget to like and leave a comment. Thank you once again for joining me on this journey. Let's dive into the world of Dynamics 365 together.